Hi, are you a lover of mint, or do you just use mint in your juleps or your mojitos? Wait, you can also use the mint in your rice, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. My name is Paulami and it's pretty summery today. It's actually summer going on in the Netherlands, and I am making a mint rice or a Pudina chawal. So this is a very easy summery dish which goes great with any barbecue. You have to tell me what you would love to pair this up with. So stay tuned. It's smelling incredible. That's the beauty of mint. I've topped it up with some fresh pomegranate pearls, some extra cashews. You know what? This is also a great dish for picnics. So if you're taking along some sandwiches, this can be served cold, warm, however, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to give this a taste test and see how it is. This is fresh, not many spices, a great side. I think I am going to be making this pretty often this summer, and I guess you would also love to do it. Make yourself this mint rice and thank me later. Okay, so till we see each other again with another video, hey, don't forget to like this video. Give me a comment down below as to if you want to see such summery recipes, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.